Today we're talking about one of the biggest technology and business stories making headlines. Apple has announced its largest manufacturing investment in the United States by signing a massive $30 billion chip contract with Broadcom. This news is attracting attention across the technology industry, and many investors are also closely watching AVGO stock and Apple stock. But what does this deal actually mean? Why is Apple investing such a large and huge amount of money? How will Broadcom benefit? And what could this mean for the future of technology and manufacturing? Let's explain everything in simple and easy words. Apple has announced a long-term agreement worth around $30 billion with Broadcom, one of the world's leading semiconductor companies. This is being described as Apple's biggest manufacturing commitment in the United States. For many years, Apple has worked with suppliers around the world to produce important parts for its product. Now the company wants to strengthen manufacturing in the United States and making its supply chain stronger for the future. Before we continue, let's quickly understand who Broadcom is. Broadcom is one of the world's largest technology companies. It designs advanced semiconductor chips that are used in smartphones, wireless communication, networking equipment, cloud computing system, artificial intelligence, and many other electronic devices. Although many Apple users may not notice Broadcom name, the technology is already found inside Apple's several products. This partnership between Apple and Broadcom is not completely new because both companies have worked together for years. However, this new agreement is much larger and shows how important their relationship has become. One of the biggest reasons behind this investment is Apple's focus on building a stronger and more reliable supply chain. During the past few years, many technology companies experienced delay because of global supply chain challenges. Some factories slowed production, shipping became difficult, and there was shortage of semiconductor chips around the world. Apple learned from those challenges. Instead of depending on too much in overseas production, the company now wants to increase manufacturing inside the United States. By doing this, Apple hopes to reduce future risk and improve the stability of its production. The chips included in this agreement are expected to support several Apple products and services. They may have been used in wireless communication system, networking technology, cloud infrastructure, and future Apple devices. As technology becomes more advanced every year, companies need faster, smarter, and more efficient chips. For Broadcom, this agreement is also a big investment and achievement. A contract worth around $30 billion gives the company long-term business opportunity and strengthens its position as one of the world's leading semiconductor manufacturers. Because of this announcement, many investors have started paying close attention to AVGO stock. Large contracts like this often increase confidence because they provide long-term business visibility. However, as always, stock prices can move up or down depending on many different market factors. Apple also receives several important benefits from this partnership. The company secures a reliable supply of advanced chips, strengthens its manufacturing strategy in the United States, and prepares itself for future technology that will require even more powerful semiconductor components. This investment is not only about today's iPhones or other devices. It is also about preparing for the next generation of technology. As artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and smart devices continue growing, the demand for advanced semiconductor chips will also continue increasing. Another interesting part of this announcement is the possible impact on manufacturing and employment. Large technology investments often support engineering, research, manufacturing, and technical jobs. While exact number may change over time, investments of this size usually create new opportunities across the technology sector. Experts believe Apple is thinking many years ahead. Instead of waiting for future supply problems, the company is investing now to make sure it has technology and manufacturing support needed for the future products. This strategy also helps Apple become less dependent on unexpected global disruptions. Having stronger manufacturing partnerships can make future product launch smoother and more reliable. The technology industry is changing very quickly. Every year, smartphones, computer, artificial intelligence systems, and cloud services require more advanced chips. Companies that can design and manufacture these chips will continue playing an important role in the future of technology. That is one of the main reasons why this agreement has attracted so much attention from investors, technical experts, and market analysts from around the world. Many people will now watch how this partnership develops over the coming years. Broadcom may continue expanding its manufacturing capabilities, while Apple could announce even more investments in American technology and production. Although no one can predict exactly what will happen next, this agreement clearly shows that Apple is focusing on long-term planning rather than short-term decisions. Overall, Apple's $30 billion manufacturing agreement with Broadcom is much more than just a business deal. It represents long-term planning, stronger supply chains, investment in advanced technology, and preparation for future innovation. For Broadcom, it brings a major business opportunity and strengthens its position in the semiconductor industry. For Apple, it helps secure the advanced technology needed for future products and support its manufacturing goals in the United States. In my opinion, this is a positive long-term decision because investing in stronger partnership today can help companies stay prepared for tomorrow's challenges. I also believe that continued investment in technology and manufacturing can benefit businesses, customers, and future innovation for many years.